Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. In my previous lectures, I have started your chapter of science from biology section, that is tissue. That was my first lecture for tissue chapter. Today I am going to discuss again further about tissue. This is the second lecture for the tissue. As I have discussed in my previous lecture and told that tissues are found of two types, that is plant tissue and animal tissue, according to their existence in plant body or in animal body. So today I will discuss some types of plant tissue. Plant tissue is of two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Today I will discuss about meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is those types of tissue which are found in that region of plants which have capacity to grow. Means meristematic tissue found in growing parts of the plant, that is tip of root, tip of a stem, tip of roots, these parts. So meristematic tissue is also categorized in three groups according to their existence and according to their function. So first type of meristematic tissue is apical meristeme. Apical meristeme is found on tips of roots and stems, and this tissue is responsible for increase in length of root, stem and respective parts where these apical meristeme is found. Meristematic tissue is made of only one types of cells. So we can say apical meristeme is found on dirt parts of the plant which have to grow as tips of roots and a stem responsible for growth in length. This is apical meristeme. Next type of meristematic tissue is lateral meristeme. Lateral meristeme is found in stems or shoot system parts. It is found in shoots and responsible for growth in increase in breadth. It is found in laterally both sides of vascular system and responsible for thickness of plant parts where these lateral meristematic tissue is found. And next is intercalary tissue. Intercalary meristeme, it is found in bases of leaves and internodes. Means intercalary meristematic tissue is responsible for growth of internodes or leaves, buds where new leaves, new stems, new buds grow. So this is found in base of stems internodes. So these are three types of meristematic tissue. These all cells are very active and it has dense cytoplasm and vacuoles are absent. In meristematic tissue, cells have no vacuoles and nucleus is prominent. In their cells, nucleus is prominent and cytoplasm is very dense. Cells are very active. to give mechanical strength to plant body. So these are three types of meristematic tissue found in plant. After the maturity, meristematic tissue and its cells lose its property of division and change into permanent tissue. It change into permanent tissue. So in my next lecture I will discuss more about permanent tissue and their cells and its function. For today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.